Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's YouTube channel.
Hey y'all. Today we are going to do a bake with me. We are planning to do banana bread, white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. So we thought we would bring y'all along today while we are doing that.
If you clicked on this video, then you would have some good recipes, and we're gonna bring you some. So before
By the way,
we
this
start,
is Courtney, if y'all don't already know my daughter.
And before we start, make sure you like, subscribe, and click that bell so you'll know when my mom posts a new video.
Thank you.
So let's get straight into this video, guys. And guys, we're starting out with not pumpkin bread. We're starting out with
Banana bread.
banana bread. Sorry, guys.
Hey y'all, we are going to make up my famous banana bread. We started out with 1 3/4 cup of flour. We're going to add in 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, followed by 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. We're also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 package of instant pudding. You can use vanilla, banana pudding. I like to, banana cream, I believe, or just banana flavored. Anyways, I end up using banana cream. I just like it, but you can use, if you don't have that and you have vanilla, that would work good. And then you're going to want to mix this all up real good with a whisk, and we're going to set it to the side, and then we're going to move on to the next step. I just get a small bowl, and we're going to put our chocolate and peanut butter chips in there. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of flour, and then I'm putting, it calls for 1 heaping cup of chocolate chips, but my husband really likes peanut butter chips, so I just kind of did a mix. So I did 1/2 cup of the semi-sweet and then 1/2 cup of the peanut butter chips, and then you're just going to whisk that together with the flour and then set it to the side also. Now we're going to move on to my stand mixer. I'm using 1/2 cup of shortening. I just buy the little shortening sticks, and we'll put that in there along with 2/3 cup of sugar. And we're going to want to mix this up for, it's going to take a couple minutes until it's light and fluffy. Okay, then we're going to add in 2 eggs. I like to use a little glass bowl or something, and I crack my eggs into there. That way, if I accidentally get a shell in there, or if there's a bad egg, that can happen. I just do it that way, and I just add them in one at a time. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And y'all know I like the Mexican vanilla. It is so good. That is my favorite thing to use. Y'all are looking at these thinking, what in the world? Okay, when I have bananas that get really ripe, I will stick them in the freezer, and I have done this many times, and I promise you, they may look ugly, but it's fine. They will turn out fine. So I'm taking, it calls for 3 large bananas, but I've got 4. They're not real big, and then I just kind of mash them up, and then we're going to add that into the dough and mix it up, or into the batter, whatever you want to call it. And y'all, I like to give this banana bread as a gift. Sometimes I'll make it up and then I'll put them in cute little containers and give it to neighbors or friends. It's really good banana bread, I promise y'all. Try it, you're gonna like it. Okay, I did not have my camera set up like I should have, I'm sorry. We are adding in the flour. I just have a measuring cup, the flour that we mixed earlier. I'm just adding a little bit at a time so that I don't have a crazy mess. And you're going to want to mix that in. You don't want to over mix it, but you want to get it mixed in good. And so that's what we're doing now. Once that is mixed in, then we're going to take the chocolate chips and the peanut butter chips, and we'll add those in just until they're basically folded in. I just kind of throw them in there and just quickly mix, and then it's usually fine.
So guys, so we just have these little aluminum, like little Christmas, like baked goods, little containers.
Baking pans, yeah.
And we're just taking some of this Baker's Joy stuff, like cooking spray. So then we're just gonna spray the things.
And this will come out a little different because it has like flour in it. Okay, that's good, that's good. Do the other one. And now we're gonna go ahead and
just pour the little liquidy dough up in
the batter.
Batter.
Okay, guys. Let me start.
Mom's good at this, so I'm just gonna let her do that part.
Stir it in, basically. Okay.
And guys, we're gonna stick these in the oven and bake them for 1 hour or into.
Well, I usually set these, since they're not a big, gigantic loaf, I'll put them in there on 350, and I'll start them out at about 40 minutes, and then I kind of check them from there.
And it's good until you put a toothpick in and it comes out not like doughy. So yeah, comes out clean. So yeah, those are in the oven, and we're gonna clean up our mess and get the stuff ready for the macadamia nut cookies. Okay, y'all, they are done. I usually leave them in the pan for about 5 minutes, and then I flip them over onto a cooling rack and I let them cool. Okay, y'all, now we are going to make white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. My kids love these type of cookies. I've never made them before, so this is a first for me. You're gonna want 1 cup of unsalted butter, which is 2 sticks, and you wanna let them come up to room temperature. So we're gonna put that into my mixer. And then we're also gonna add 1 cup of dark, or if you don't have dark, you can use light brown sugar. And then we're also going to add in a 3/4 of a cup of just regular sugar. We're gonna use 2 eggs. We're also going to add in a tablespoon of vanilla extract, or like me, use the Mexican vanilla that I love. And then we're going to mix this up until it's all mixed for a couple minutes. Okay, once that is mixed, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're also going to put 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. We're going to add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I like to add a cup at a time while I'm mixing it, because if you put all of it in at the same time, it's going to be a mess. So we're going to mix that up. Then we're going to add in our white chocolate chips. We're going to put 1.5 cups of white chocolate chips. Okay, next we're going to add in a cup of coarsely chopped macadamia nuts. I received these from a company called Nutstop, and I'm going to have a code across the screen where you can save 10% off of your first purchase, if I can speak. They sell all different kinds of nuts. They also sell different kinds of candies. They have a wide variety. They have trail mix. They have so much to choose from, y'all. And I think with Christmas coming up, you can find some great gift ideas, and I love all of their stuff. So check them out. Like I said, down in the description box, I will have a link along with the coupon code, which I'll have here across the screen. Okay, so now we're going to add in the macadamia nuts and mix that all up good, and then we're going to get our batter out and start rolling little balls and placing them on our baking sheet. And we're going to bake these we will bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're light brown. And we're going to do that on, I forgot to let y'all know what to preheat. Okay, to 350. So we're going to preheat our oven to 350, bake our cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes, and yeah, then you're going to have some good white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. My kids loved these, so if anyone in your family liked these, I would recommend them.
And so anyways, y'all, I was just wondering, are there any kind of recipes that y'all are looking forward to seeing? I am going to do a dessert, Christmas or Thanksgiving dessert recipe that will be coming out pretty soon, hopefully by next week. So anyways, here I am cutting the bread, and I'm going to let Courtney taste it. How's it? Hey y'all, I was editing my video and I realized I never did an outro or like a closing to this video, and I thought I would do that. So I just wanted to quickly say that I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope you will try out that banana bread. I've been making that for years, and if you don't like peanut butter chips, you can omit those and put just chocolate chips, or vice versa. You could add nuts to it. I've done pecans. There's so many different things you could do. And the white macadamia nut cookies, the kids really liked. It was a new recipe, and so if you like white chocolate macadamia nuts cookies, that's a good one to try. And also, if you're looking to buy nuts and things, or candies and things, check out Nutstop. I will have a link down in the description box with a coupon code to save 10% off of your first purchase. Okay, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
Yeah. Even in my